I'm holding my breath so I don't laugh. I have to burp. Thank you. Stop laughing, bitch. I'm trying to say something important here. I just want to let you all know, in the public, that this is a very good movie. It is very sad, but it is very good. And I like the Miley Cyrus. That is her right there. Oops. Isn't she hot? So is he. Just kidding. I'm not into dudes. Do you want to suck my penis? This is a very good movie. I like this movie. It is called The Last Song. Wait. Oh my god!
Hallelujah.
The Green Librarian. That's a good movie. It's a good movie. I like this movie. He's gay. Anyway, it's a good movie. Oh my god, have you ever seen Breaking Dawson's Creek? I actually do like the Twilight a lot. Especially when the sun is going down. Oh, now this movie teaches you a lot about relationships and how to maintain sex. This teaches you how to do the sexual. For those of you who have never watched it, they teach you how to do the sexual. It's a good movie. It's good. Yes, for those who want a life of hookerism, I suggest the clientele list. If you want to pursue being a massage therapist who blows people, watch the client list. It is good movie. She's a babe.
She's so hot.
Anyways, I haven't watched this yet, but I have a hunch it is about someone named Julie and someone else named Julia, who they're probably lesbians who have an affair over food, because she has a fork. And I don't think she's going to stick that in that old hag's vagina. Or will she? Sometimes when I have a wet dream, I pretend like I'm in a swimming pool because my wife doesn't understand why I have wet dreams. She's Russian. She's stupid. Yes. If you want to pursue a career in becoming a mechanic, you can watch this. Or maybe you are a 1974 Corvette who wants to watch porn. This is that though. If you are a car and you want to watch pornography, this is your movie, bitch. For those who like movies that no one's ever heard of, you can watch this. I don't know what it is or what it's about. All I know is she is holding a rose by her boobies. So I bought it. And for those of you who want to talk to ghosts, you're fucked in the head. No, I'm just kidding. Watch The Ghost Whisperer. Apparently there's someone in the movie named Jennifer Love Howitt. Jennifer Love Howie. She loves Howie. I don't know who Howie is, but she loves him. Those are my movie recommendations. Siskel and Ebert, eat your heart out, bitch. Gonna go watch The Last Song now and masturbate in my tears. Sometimes when I'm lonely, I like to pretend that my hand is a vagina and I fuck it. And that is what you call masturbation. I have a Facebook page.
Nobody gives a shit, Luigi.
Nobody likes your face.
Nobody likes your face.
You can't get a date because nobody likes that stupid faggot tattoo on your face.
Bravo!